Hello students, welcome back. Now today we will be doing again the lesson number 4, heat and temperature, module 5. In module 4 we have discussed about the expansion in solids. Here we will be doing expansion in liquids. So I have already told you that because of the heat the molecule starts moving away from each other. So in the solids the molecules are very tightly packed, so they move a little bit very little bit slowly, but not so vigorously as in the case of liquids. But in the case of liquids they start moving very far from each other. Okay, so liquids do not have a definite shape but they have definite volume, so they do not show expansion in volume. Okay, they just show the expansion in the shape. Now in liquids the particles are less tightly packed than solids, so on heating they vibrate more vigorously. In the compare, that's why I'm telling you again and again, in solids the molecules are tightly packed, so they don't move so fast as compared to liquids, because in liquids the molecules are already a little bit loose. That's why the expansion is maximum in gases, then in liquids, and minimum in solids. Okay, so in the case of liquids they move very far away from each other, and hence a liquid will expand more than the solid. So as we did the applications in the expansion of solids, in the same way we'll be doing the expansion of in liquids as well as in gases. So when a clinical thermometer, you must have seen that we have discussed before that the thermometer is used to measure the temperature, and in that what is there? Mercury is there, and mercury is liquid. So as you get to know the temperature, you put in your mouth or in the armpit, the temperature rises. So why they're rising up? Because of the temperature you have. So that means as soon as the liquid gets some heat or the temperature, it starts moving up. Okay, and that's why we are able to know the temperature of our body. So or any of the temperature of any of the place, because of the heat, or if the heat is more or less, we can know with the help of the thermometer, because the mercury or the alcohol in it start rising up or coming down. So that's why when a clinical thermometer is kept in contact with the hot body, because why do we measure the temperature when you are having fever? So your body is hot compared to the normal temperature. So the mercury inside it expands and rises up, and we can know the temperature of the body. Okay, similarly when we boil the milk, we don't boil the milk till the top of the surface of the container. Little bit gap is there. Why? Because when the milk is being boiled it starts expanding, and if we're not taking attention to that, it starts overflowing and fall down. Okay, that's why we always leave the space in the container. We don't keep the milk till the brim of the surface. Brim मतलब ऊपर तक हम नहीं करते हैं, थोड़ा सा स्पेस रखते हैं, जिससे अगर हम पानी या दूध को बॉईल करें तो बाहर ना फैले. Okay, so these are because of the expansion in the liquids. Now expansion in gases, like gases have no definite shape, no definite volume. It can expand as much. Like if you light the agarbatti, you can smell the fragrance of that everywhere. Why? Because the molecules, because of the heat of the agarbatti, the molecule starts moving far away from each other very very fast. Okay, so gases have a definite shape but do not have a definite shape, do not have definite volume. Okay, and when gases are heated they show cubical expansion. Cubical means all the dimensions, either we say volume or we say shape or size. So expansion in gases is much more than the solids and liquids. So again I'm saying it, expansion सबसे ज़्यादा gases में होता है, क्योंकि उसके molecules ऑलरेडी दूर होते हैं. अगर हम उसको हीट देते हैं तो वो और भी दूर दूर मूव करते हैं. फिर लिक्विड्स में होता है और फिर सॉलिड्स में होता है. लाइक एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ एक्सपेंशन इन गैसेस, लाइक इन द केस ऑफ हॉट एयर बैलून. ओके, हॉट एयर बैलून ऊपर ही क्यों उड़ता है? ओके, बिकॉज उसमें क्या जलती रहती है? फायर या बल्ब होता है. बल्ब की वजह से क्या होता है, उसका जो सरफेस होता है आउटसाइड वाला सरफेस हॉट हो जाता है. हॉट होने से क्या होता है? गैस एयर लाइट हो जाती है. लाइट होने से क्या होता है? वो ऊपर मूव होने जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से हॉट एयर बीइंग लाइटर स्टार्ट राइजिंग अप. ओके, जैसे अब नॉर्मल एग्जांपल देती हूँ मैं आपको. आप कैंडल जलाते हो, जलाने के बाद कैंडल अपना हाथ कैंडल के ऊपर रखो और एक साइड में रखो, तो किस हाथ को आप पहले हटाएंगे? यस, ऊपर वाला हाथ, क्योंकि उसमें हीट आ रही है. हीट होने से आपको गर्म लग रहा है, गर्म लगने से आप उसको हाथ को हटा देंगे, बिकॉज हॉट एयर राइजेस अप. साइड वाले में आपको हीट तो लगेगी पर कंपैरेटिवली उसके कम लगेगी. Okay, so that's why in hot air balloon the air inside the balloon expands due to heating. This air rises in the balloon and pushes the colder air out. ओके, सो गर्म हवा की वजह से वो ऊपर जाता है और ठंडी हवा अंदर आती रहती है, फिर वो गर्म होती है और फिर वो ऊपर उड़ने लग जाता है. ऐसे करते करते हॉट एयर बैलून ऊपर जाने लग जाता है. Thus the balloon gets filled with hotter expanded air. As the air inside the balloon less dense, ओके, जो अंदर एयर है वो कम है भारी है बाहर की कंपैरेटिवली, तो वो ऊपर उड़ने लग जाती है. ओके, एंड हीट द लास्ट इफेक्ट ऑफ द हीट इज द हीट ब्रिंग्स अबाउट चेंज इन state. This I have already discussed you. I have given here again that how the ice changes into water and water changes into vapor. That means solid changes to liquid and liquid changes to gas. Okay, I hope you understand. Here in this module I have discussed about the application of expansion in liquids and in gases. That's why we get to know the temperature in the thermometer because of the expansion of mercury being liquid, and in the gases hot air balloon rises up because of the air becomes hot, and being hotter it becomes lighter. Okay, so I'll be doing many activities also to prove all these things. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.